So today I'm going to show you how I cook my Roman noodles, and I'm starting off with boiling some eggs. This is not all the eggs I'm going to use. I'm just going to use a few of them. And then you have your regular Indomie Roman noodles. You can get whichever noodles you like, rice noodles, whatever, but this is the one we have, and it comes with different flavors. So once your egg has boiled, just transfer it to another container. So in a container of boiling water, you just want to add in your Indomie noodles, just how you're gonna boil it. Just follow the directions on the package that you get, and that's pretty much it. So while that is boiling, we can move on to our vegetables. So here I have some red onions, I have some garlic, some mushrooms. I'm using sweet peppers, but you can use any peppers you want. So this yellow, red, and green peppers, and I'm going to saute it using olive oil. So once it has been cooked, you only have to cook it for like 3 minutes, like that, and see, once it has been cooked, it's soft. So just turn off your fire and let's move on to cooking the vegetables. So now we're going to cook the vegetable. So let's turn on our fire, because you want the fire to be the pot to be a little bit warm to the touch. So now, after it has been warmed up, what you want to do is you want to put some oil, just about a tablespoon of olive oil, and swirl that. While that is hot, you add in your red onions. You can use white onions too, or even sweet onions. Add in your garlic, and then your vegetables and your mushroom. And you want to saute it until it's a little bit soft, but still has that crunchy, lovely taste that we all like. I love coloring my food. So while that is going on, we're going to move and we're going to drain out the pasta. If you have sausage, you can use sausage, you can use any type of meat. This is just a sausage. This has a little bit of cheese in it. I prefer it without the cheese, but what you want to do is you want to just take some sausage, and I think that is enough sausage. Not so much, because you don't want the sausage to overpower the food you're cooking. So now that our vegetables have been sauteed, I'm going to add a little bit more oil, because it's time to cook the sausage. Just a little bit more oil, and we're going to add our sausage in there. And then you want to cook it some more. So that is why I said you don't want the vegetable to be too soft, because you're still going to cook the sausage, and the sausage flavor with the vegetable will be the best taste ever. So once your vegetable and the sausage particularly has cooked, what you do is you take your noodles, and we're just going to transfer it in there, and we're going to pan fry it. So it will be like pan fried noodles. So we're just going to pan fry the noodles. And make sure you blend everything together. Okay. So reduce the fire, please, so that you don't burn your noodles. So if you like peppers, like red peppers, you can just sprinkle a little bit of red peppers in there, just to give it some more spicy taste. Just keep tossing the noodle like this. If you need more spices, you can add spices to it. Sometimes what I do is I like taking a little bit of the spices that come in the package. I don't use this all the time, but you want to take just a little and just add it to the flavors. So just a little bit, not so much. See, I didn't even use up to half of that mixture of spices. So just take it, just pan fry. So you want to fry it until it's almost golden, light golden yellow, not so much because you don't want it to be too dry. And once you're done doing that, this is what it looks like. You can serve this with a salad, but we're going to serve it with some boiled eggs.